Welcome. In this video, you will learn the process of generating e-way bill and e-invoice along with the consignee or ship-to GSTN UIN. As per the GSTN Advisory Number 661, effective 1st August 2026, the GSTN has mandated the entry of the ship-to GSTN UIN in all transactions with different bill-to and ship-to addresses. Let's see how to generate e-way bill with the ship-to GSTN UIN. Press Alt-G. Create voucher. You need to enter all the details required for e-way bill generation. Now, let us consider that, in this transaction, bill-to and ship-to addresses are different. In the Party Details screen, press F12. Enable Provide Separate Buyer and Consignee Details. Press Ctrl A to save the configuration. Select the buyer and consignee party. The details get prefilled. Under Consignee, Ship-to details, ensure that the GSTN UIN is correct. If the field is blank, then the party will be reported as a URP or unregistered person on the e-way bill system. Once you verify the party details, press Ctrl A to save. Select the stock items and enter the quantity and rate. Select the relevant GST ledger. Provide the necessary e-way bill details such as consignor and consignee details. Mode, vehicle number, and vehicle type are mandatory fields. Now let's generate the e-way bill. As you can see, the e-way bill is generated successfully. Now, if e-invoice is applicable to your business, then you can also generate e-invoice and e-way bill together with ship-to GSTN UIN. If e-way bill and e-invoice both are applicable to your company, then you can generate both in one shot. Press Alt-G and create voucher. Select the party ledger. In the Party Details screen, ensure that you select the correct consignee details with the correct GSTN UIN. Select the stock items and enter the quantity and rate. Select the tax ledger. In the Additional Details screen, ensure that all the details are correct. Mode, vehicle number, and vehicle type are mandatory fields. Ensure that the e-invoice's details are correct. Press Ctrl A to save the invoice. Press Y to generate the e-invoice and e-way bill. As you can see, the e-invoice and e-way bill are generated successfully. In TallyPrime, you can easily generate e-way bills and e-invoices with the ship-to GSTN UIN. Thank you.